Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make tech tips fun and easy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into something cool, creating nameless folders in Windows 11. Yeah, you heard that right. Imagine a clutter-free desktop or organizing your files without names. Let's get started. First off, why would you want a nameless folder? Well, it's great for keeping things minimal and for hiding files you don't want easily seen. It's also perfect for organizing your desktop with a clean look. Method 1 is super simple. Just create a new folder like you normally would. When it's time to name it, delete the default text, hold down Alt on your keyboard, and type to 155 on your numpad. Then, hit Enter, and voila, a nameless folder. Easy, right? If you don't have a numpad or you're looking for another way, there's method 2. Again, create a new folder. This time, instead of Alt plus 155, type Alt plus 0160. Boom, another nameless folder. It works just as well. Now, for the third method, we're going ninja mode. You can actually make the folder icon invisible too. After naming it with Alt plus 155 or Alt plus 0160, right-click the folder, choose Properties, and then click Change Icon. Scroll through and select the invisible icon. Now, not only does your folder have no name, but it's practically invisible, great for hiding files in plain sight. So, how can you benefit from nameless folders? They're perfect for decluttering your workspace, keeping your desktop organized, and even adding an extra layer of privacy by making files harder to find. And there you have it, 3 easy ways to create nameless folders in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to smash that like button and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments what other cool Windows 11 tricks you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips, and as always, thanks for watching.